Welcome back to 10 Slate Info. According to the sources, it has been decided that 40 AMCA Mark I will be powered by F414G INS-6 afterburning engines, which is manufactured by General Electric of the United States. And this is something which we all know. Even the Tejas Mark I and Tejas Mark 1A will also be powered by General Electric engines, which are F404G IN20 and F414G INS-6 afterburning engines. Even though we have these engines available, India has to develop a new engine for the next batch of AMCM Mark II. India's fifth generation Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft program is all set to take off when the Cabinet Committee on Security will grant 15,000 crores after completion of the critical design review, which is planned in early 2022 tentatively. Not just this, everyone is very eager to know the right partner for the development of a new high thrust engine for the AMCA program. Even though General Electric and Pratt & Whitney of the United States were also ready to help India in developing a new engine via Make in India route, but they were hesitating to do the core technology transfer. Both the companies backed out from giving India its intellectual property rights to its core technologies. Now the best options which India have in their hands are from France and from United Kingdom. The companies which I am talking about are Safran and Rolls-Royce. Even though GTRE, HAL and Ministry of Defence have held talks and detailed discussion with both Safran and Rolls-Royce for a joint venture in the development of an engine, nothing has been fruitified. The main intention is to develop 69 kN dry thrust and 110 kN wet thrust engines for the AMC Mark II. If we quickly see the offers from France and the United Kingdom, Safran has offered its Snegma M88 series of cores to be used for the development of the new engine, for which it is ready to transfer of technology as well. It is said that the new engine which would be developed would be based on the Snegma M88-3 turbofan engine that is used to power the Rafale fighter jets. As per the defense sources, even Rolls-Royce Defense has started negotiations on co-development of the new engine that will see transfer of technology and intellectual property rights with India. Rolls-Royce had previously offered its EJ-200 based uprated engine, but the present proposal talks about the development of a new engine is going on. There will be more seriousness in this process of engine partner selection since this has been delayed for a long time now, so we can expect a quick decision very soon. According to me, India can go with any of the manufacturers, either Safran or Rolls-Royce, since we have a good relationship with both France and the United Kingdom. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slate Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.